You got to go in a big plane?
Uh-huh.
Oh, fun.
And how big is it?
How?
Super big. Really big.
Oh.
So we're at the air show in Sacramento. It's really nice to have the RV here. We were able to get dressed, relax as people are showing up, and we're going to walk out and see the air show today. Should be good. Love it.
All the way to the far right, there's no waiting.
Thank you.
Hi, how are you?
Great, how are you today?
The land of the free and the home of the brave.
Paula Guest, wonderfully sung as we see the two P-51 Mustangs coming through as the final part of the salute in our traditional air show opening. Once again, a great round of applause for Senior Master Sergeant Paula Guest. Some of you may say that sure looks like a C-130 Hercules. Well, it's only got 2 engines, but it does have some resemblance. It's known as the C-27 Spartan, flown today by Commander Zach Huff. But put your hands together for Bill Stein! And now he does what is called a triple knife edge tumble. Bill Stein's from here in California, but his reputation is nationwide as one of the best aerobatic coaches in the world today. That sound is the sound of a turbojet engine, and each one generating somewhere in the neighborhood of 5,000 pounds of thrust. Steve Hinton, flying the Saberjet, is a member of the Motion Picture Pilots Association.
It's a little warmer, but it's cooler than last week. Last week it got up to 112, 117.
Oh my gosh.
There's our little peanuts, our little monkeys.
Hi, I'm Lorraine. High five. Hi, what's your name?
Maverick.
Maverick, that's an awesome name.
And this is Madeline.
Hi, Madeline.
That's beautiful.
Yeah. You want to see what it looks like? You want to go in the sun where you can see you?
I saw a plane actually lost a wheel. Even flying and lost paper.
Was it okay?
Yeah, and he didn't know how to land.
The A-10 Thunderbolt II.
That's my bike. I didn't want to use it, so I gave up.
Yeah.
As they approach from the right, what we're seeing is a P-38 Lightning flown by Steve Hinton and an A-10 Thunderbolt II flown by Major Dan Levy. The music you hear was written by Dwayne O'Brien.
To those who've had to fly and fight, who have served their country in the sky with a grateful heart and watchful eye. We remember
speed of about 85 or 90 miles an hour. And yet, Kent Beach from Minot, North Dakota, flies this airplane from coast to coast. That's east coast to west coast, all the way up into Canada, all the way down to Texas and into Florida. 45 degrees of rotation. Put your hands together for Kent Beach.
Woo!
Hello.
What'd you think?
Maybe it's cool.
All right, now, Kent
Maybe
Beach,
yes.
look to the left,
Maybe yes.
has just
Yeah.
given a go, go, go signal to the truck. Let's see what's going to happen as we get a race going. How many of you think the car will win? Just enough.
What?
How many of you think the airplane will win? They are off! Eric Nelson continuing to accelerate, now past 150 miles per hour.
Whoa.
He still hasn't caught up.
Whoa.
I think there was a tough start. No, we're getting caught up now. Look at this.
Yikes. Whoa. What kind of car is that?
Runway pouring down on the brakes. Eric Nelson
Whoa.
got an extra burst of
Did you
speed.
see that car?
Came out even. Ladies and
That was
gentlemen,
going
put your hands
fast,
together
huh?
for the
But the plane was
Grand Prix
fast, though.
2017.
Yeah.
Awesome. Bye.
Yeah, it's probably about 100, right?
Feels like it.
I must left my
That's one way to get shade.
Look at that. Look at that. Arctic Annie.
It's beautiful. This looks like an air yacht. You know how we have like land yacht, water yacht? This looks like an air yacht.
Yeah.
guys do this without getting too dizzy?
I have no idea.
Wow. See how many flips he's done? Like just like going all the way up, like not once but twice, and down and flipping. Like flipping on his way down.
I don't think that's the ride I want to be on.